Okay, now so let's look at how to use CountIf and then sumif and then some other functions. So with a CountIf, that means we are counting based on a condition. So here, let's write something like total number of males, and then below go total number of females. So these two. So these two here. I just want to take in that area a bit so that you see that this is where we obtain the answer. Okay, so we have this. Now we want to count the total number of male and then female. So I'll go equal to let me try to zoom in a bit. Equal to CountIf, then open parenthesis, then the cells that contain the male and female or the gender. I'll click on the first female, and that is H2. Then I'll bring my column, and I'll click on the last one like this, and I'll bring a comma. So it should count if it is male. That is the meaning of this. Count. So first it says it's going to perform a search within H2 to H8. Count if it is male. So let me hit enter. Oh, I think I didn't. Let's put it this way. Equal to. Let's put in double quotes. So counts if it is equal to male. Good. And then I have my 4 here. That will do the same for the female. Count if H2 colon H8 comma double quotes equal to female. And I'll close parenthesis and hit enter. Then I have 4 and 3 over here. Very simple. Now let's look at what we call sumif. So with a sumif, what we want to do is we want to find the total of all the total salary for all females, right? So let's go total salary for all females like this. Total salary for all females, and that one we have to use the sumif. So equal to the sumif. So the sumif is going to perform the range, right? So the first thing is sumif. From here, because first it will have to perform a search. Sumif under the gender, if it is equal to female like this, right? Search through H2 up to H8. If it is equal to female, then add their salaries. So I'll come here, click here, column, then I'll click on the last one, then I'll close the parenthesis like this, and then I'll hit enter. So it means that it has added the salaries of all the females here straight away using the sum if. It's very, very simple. Then let's look at another one that we call the CountBlank and then the countA. So CountBlank means it should return the total number of empty cells. So we are going to find empty cells here. So to find empty cells, I'm going to, let's say, I'll highlight from here up to here. We want to count all the empty cells that are available, and that one I'll use the CountBlank. So I'll go equal to CountBlank, then I'll close the open parenthesis, and then I'll click from here, column, and then up to here like this. So that is where we want to count all the empty cells. Then I will hit enter, and then it will tell me we have 14 empty cells over there. Now the opposite of the CountBlank is called the countA, or what we call the counter. So we want to find cells with values within that same range. That is what we want to find. So over here, that one is going to be countA. Then we open parenthesis, then I'll click from here, then column, then up to here, then I'll close the parenthesis again, then let's hit enter. Then to say we have 7 cells that are having values or that are not empty. Okay.